Hey guys, Mick Weber here. Welcome back. Today we've got a really nice new listing for you over in East Nashville. And as you can see, it's on 701 South 14th Street. This property is 2,610 square feet. It's got 3 levels, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. As you can see, it's got hardwoods throughout the entire property, no carpet. This is the main bedroom on the first level. You got double vanities. You've actually got 2 walk-in closets, one here in the bathroom and then one off the bedroom. You do have a shower here, real nice tile shower. That is a king-size bed, so you've got a lot of room in this 16 by 16 room. As we come up the stairs to the second level, off to the right, we do have a full bath here. You've got 2 bedrooms upstairs. This is bedroom number 1. We're getting ready to go to the other side of the staircase. You've got bedroom number 2. These are both 12 by 12 bedrooms upstairs. Now we're headed into the rec room. As you can see, we've got a really nice pool table in there. We've got lots of room. Rec room is 22 by 17. And this built-in TV does stay with the property. The pool table is negotiable. Now we're going to head down into the basement area, which is an office. The office is 13 by 21, and off through those doors there is a fire pit, which is on the front of the house. Got some room for books and storage. Then as you head to the back deck, you've got lots of room for 6 seats and a table there on the deck. And then you've got an outdoor fire pit there. Coming in off the deck, you can see the view of the kitchen, how open the place is. It's really a bright area, lots of windows, lots of lights. So we're headed from the front down to that fire pit that comes off of that basement office. If you'd like to see this property or any property in the Nashville area, just give me a call. I'll be happy to help you. Talk to you soon.